What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today I am going to show you how you can fix Instagram call not working. Now this is going to be straightforward, so let's have it. If you're experiencing issues with Instagram calls not working, several troubleshooting steps can help, from checking your internet connection and app permissions to clearing cache and reinstalling the app. These solutions can restore functionality. Follow this guide for a quick fix and get back to connecting with friends. So the first thing that you have to do is to check if your Instagram app is up to date. So go to Play Store if you are using an Android device, or App Store if you are using an iPhone. And from here, let's search for Instagram. Now here, if your Instagram is up to date, then you should be good to go. But if it needs updating, then you can update it here, and most of the time this is going to solve the problem. But if you are still having the problem, you can go ahead and go to your device's settings. And from here, you can scroll down and go to apps. And right from here, we can go ahead and tap on this search icon and type Instagram. So it's right here. And what you can do is check your permissions. So let's tap on permissions. And here, make sure that phone is allowed in your permission. Now after that, you can go back. And here, tap on mobile data. And make sure that you toggle this on, allow data usage while data saver is on, so that you can still make calls on Instagram even if your internet is not that good. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.